Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your country or region on Instagram. First, open your profile, tap the three icon in the top right corner here. Just click on this one. Now, go to settings and privacy from here. Scroll down and tap on account type and tools. Click on it. Here you can see branded content. Click on it or first, after that, you have to switch to professional account. Click on it. Here, just click continue. Now, switch to any category you like. Then you must choose this business. Do not choose creator. Choose business and click next. After that, go to your profile again. Click on edit profile here and then scroll down. You will see a contact options. Click on it. After that, you can see an option here, business idea and business address. Click on it and you will see here address box. Just fill in your address where you want to change and click this tick mark. And that's how you can change your Instagram location. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.